Hi guys, it's Rae with Raes Turquoise Turtle. Today we're going to do just a super quick, hopefully, tutorial for planners, for pen clips specifically. I had showed this off in a video and I've gotten a couple of emails, a couple of Facebook messages about these clips that I use as pen holders. I have these stuck to my journals all over the place. When my Etsy was open, this was one of my core products. I don't have any of the gold clips here that I could find or any silver ones. I can only find black, but it is what it is. It'll also work on the mini clips if you want something smaller. So, but I like to keep these with my book. So, we're going to run through that real quick. So what you need are some binder clips, Staples, Walmart, Office Max, Office Depot, whatever you have that sells office supplies will have some sort of binder clip. And then all you need is some fold over elastic. These are, some of it's from Etsy, some of it's from Walmart. You can get them all over the place, all kinds of patterns. So, colors, whatever. Like this one's Cousin brand. I'm pretty sure this came off the shelf at Walmart in the craft section. I do not remember my sizing off the top of my head. It has been a long time since I made one of these. So, I'm going to have to fiddle with it for a minute. But, the end goal is to have a piece of elastic that goes from just inside the clip to big enough to hold your pen. So you want a little bit at the top, but not a ton. I'm going to grab my pen back off my book. So find your sizing by wrapping a pen. And then making it a little bit smaller. So this is actually a little too big yet, but so I'm going to say for a bigger one, about 2 1/4, maybe a little bit smaller will be fine. If you want, you can heat seal your ends. These will heat seal just like ribbon. Normally I wouldn't use my torch. Normally I'd use a lighter. But I don't have a lighter in here. Actually I do. But whatever. So I only have 2 clips, so I'm just going to do 2 of these. I don't want that big bubble there. Actually I think I want to use the white and gold. So I'm going to cut this one to about the same size. Okay, so that's it. That is the mechanics of it. Why do I have so much fold over elastic? Because I made these journal sets and I did the fold over elastic hair ties for a very long time. So I have like hundreds of those down in a drawer in front of me also. You know, so I normally use E6000 for my glue. I don't have a fresh thing of E6000 handy, so I'm going to use my clear Gorilla Glue today. It'll work just as well. All I'm going to do is, once my glue starts to flow, is just put a little bit in the center. And this is probably too much. I would normally use a smaller stir stick of some sort. And just get it lined up. I like to flip these closed, open. Because, and I like to get it into this little notch here. But And of course it's going to fight me because I'm on camera. And I'm getting glue on my hand. But if you keep it open like that, it'll hold your elastic down some. I'm just going to use my tweezers to help me get it back in place. Okay, so there's side one, same thing on side two. And I probably could have left this one slightly longer, but I will still be able to get a pen in there. It's just going to be a little snugger, which is fine. So leave it like that and let it dry. Do one more. And this, the ones that have a print on them are typically a little bit of a thicker elastic. So, and this one I did cut a little bit short. But, and I would grab a rag and clean up that little excess glue. But then you have your little binder clips to hold your pen on your planner. Also, what I like for planners is paper clips to mark things. Like if you're doing sections or whatever. I like to use the oversized ones. And I like to dress them up with a little flag. So I cut my ribbon to, I think I cut them about 4 inches. Just a little bit over 4 inches. Then I dock the ends. And super simple. Just fold it over. And pull the ends through. And give yourself a neat little top. And then you have a cute little flag for your book. Very, very simple. Everybody's got ribbon kicking around or saves ribbon off of this, that, or the other thing. Again, you can choose to seal your ends or not seal your ends. I don't believe these ones are sealed, but again, the big size paper clips, I believe these ones came from Staples. So just if you want something else to dress up your planner. That's it. So simple, so easy. A binder clip, some fold over elastic, paper clips, ribbon. And then, you know, whatever cute pen you prefer is always with your journal or your planner, stuffed in your purse, whatever. So that is it. Hopefully that made sense. A good glue, a permanent adhesive. Like I said, normally use E6000 on these. My Etsy's been on vacation for like 3 years, and these were part of my Etsy stock. So you can see that it adheres very well with the E6000 and holds up. The Gorilla Glue to me works just as well, so I'd imagine it'll be the same. But the mini ones, the elastic just barely covers. But it works exactly the same. So if you get a pack that's got, like these came with a ton of different colors in 2 sizes, don't worry about it because you can still use the small ones. So that is it. Thank you for watching. If I didn't cover that well enough, let me know and ask any questions. So thank you.